Hello and welcome back to this channel. I hope you are doing well. So welcome back again to this channel. So guys, today I will discuss a job openings from Qatar. I hope you all of know that this is a Gulf country and it will be working interview in the decided locations. So if you have a plan to move Gulf country and to have a plan to move Qatar with a job, then please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply and how to attend the working interview and how to process all the things. So let's know without any late and let's focus what is the job openings. This is a ladies fashion garment tailor required in Qatar. We have urgent opening for tailor for Qatar. Button cutter and tailor more professional for fashion designer. It will be tailors only for ladies. So guys, this is a job openings for ladies who want to move Gulf country as a ladies. They can apply for this job, and you have to drop your CV with mentioned proper qualifications and proper experience in the relevant field. After you apply, you can follow by this number between this time. So first of all, you need to know if you want to apply for a ladies fashion garment tailor, then you should have the relevant experience. Then you can apply by this official email ID. You have to drop your CV to the given official email ID. After that, you can follow by this number. So next, AutoCAD Draftsmen Aluminum required in Qatar. So if you belongs to AutoCAD professionals, then be prepared for this interview and attend the interview and apply as soon as possible. So we have urgent opening AutoCAD Draftsman Aluminum for Qatar. Candidates must have good knowledge and experience in aluminum. Must have GCC experience. That means you should have minimum of Gulf experience, and you can apply by this official email ID as you can see here. And this official email ID you can also get from the descriptions below this video. After you apply, there I have a number mentioned right here. You can follow by your application process by this number. So the thing is today this is the urgent vacancies from Qatar and there are two jobs only. One is ladies fashion garment tailor. Second, AutoCAD draftsman for aluminium. So there are two job openings, urgent job vacancies. If you want to apply, then you can apply. Before you apply, please be ensure that you should have the relevant experience. Then you can apply by this official email ID. After you apply, the shortlisted process will be start. Then you can attend the walk-in interview and they will inform you in which date and which time you have to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, you can proceed for the visa and all the things like medical process, all the things. So the thing is, if you want to move Gulf country, please apply as soon as possible and try to apply for the interview. And after you getting success from the interview, obviously the rest process will be done by the company. So don't worry for that. You just need to focus first your experience and you have to make your CV be professionals. Then you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. After you apply, you will get notifications from company or from the client that in which day you have to attend the interview in the which locations. So I hope you all of know everything details what I have explained. Still, if you have any confusion, if you have any questions, then please drop your questions in the comment box. I will try to give your answer. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Lots of thanks also for your support. So my sincere request, please share this information to your friends, your relatives, any of guys having looking for a job in Gulf country, and you can transfer this message to them. They can apply as soon as possible. Also, they can attend the interview. So guys, again, lots of thanks for everything. Of course, in the next video, we will discuss about another job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel, check each and every videos in this channel and apply as soon as possible by this of giving official email ID which already has been give in the descriptions below this video. So lots of thanks, best of luck.